All right, let's see how Best Buy packs their open box packages. It says the condition is excellent on the top. All right, so they didn't really like put a lot of packing in the box to really protect it, but let's see. So we've got the ZV-E10, and we've got this little charger. I've already got a charger for these type of batteries that plugs into the wall. So let's see. So there's no lens cap. A lot of dust. Like you can definitely see the dust in this iPhone video. I guess the battery is installed. They weren't worried about it coming on in the middle of traveling and the lens extending and breaking. So yeah, this feels pretty good. Got touch screen, nice feeling screen. Let's hold it with my other hand to see. I mean, it doesn't feel that bad in the hand. It probably could use a little bit of an extra grip. But yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of videos with this camera coming up, vlogging and testing out really good Sony lenses on this camera. So we'll see, because this camera was a really good deal. It was like under $700 open box with the lens. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at the sensor just to make sure the sensor's not totally destroyed. So much dust on this. Yeah, sensor looks good. This is exciting. Oh gosh, I left it on when I opened it. Not smart. All right, so stay tuned for more videos with the ZV-E10. This is going to be a really interesting camera for sure. It's off and it hasn't gone. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Also check out all my other videos and hit the subscribe button.